Hello everyone! Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn the next 3 sounds of the alphabets J, K, and L. Are you ready? Now let's begin. The first letter for today is the letter J. So there are 2 ways of the letter J. The uppercase J and the lowercase j. But not to worry, both J's have the same sound. The letter J sounds like J, J, J. It sounds like J, J, J. Now it's your turn to say it. Nice work! Now, what words can we think of that starts with the letter J? Can you recognize what this is? That's right. It is a jet. J, 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 jet. J, 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 jet. Now it's your turn. Very good! Now you know how to say the word jet. How about we think of another word that starts with the letter J? What could this word be? It is jam. J, 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 jam. J, 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 jam. Now it's your turn to try. Fantastic! Now you know the word jam. How about we try another word that starts with the letter J? What word do you think this could be? That's right. It is a jar. J, 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 jar. J, 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 jar. Would you like to try it? You did great. Now you have learned to say the word jar. How about we move on to the next letter? What letter could that be? It is the letter K. Just like the letter J, there are 2 ways of the letter K. The uppercase K and the lowercase k. And both K's have the same sound. Now are you ready to sound out the letter K? Let's begin. The letter K sounds like ka, ka, ka. It sounds like ka, ka, ka. Now, would you like to try? Well done! Now, what words can we think of that starts with the letter K? Can you tell what this is? How about a key? Ka, 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 key. Ka, 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 key. Now how about you try? Well done! Now you know how to say the word key. How about we try another word with the letter K? What word could this be? That's right. It is a king. Ka, ka, king. Ka, 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 king. Now how about you try? Excellent work! Now you know how to say the word king. What other words can we think of that starts with the letter K? Do you know what this could be? That's right. It is a koala. Ka, 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 koala. Ka, 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 koala. Now, would you like to try? Fantastic work! Now you know how to say the word koala. How about we learn the sound of the next alphabet? What letter could that be? You guessed it. It is the letter L. Just like the letter K, the letter L also has two ways, which is the uppercase L and the lowercase l. Now, how can we sound the letter L in a word? Well, it sounds like L, L, L. It sounds like L, L, L. Would you like to try it? Awesome work! You are doing great. Now, what word can we think of that starts with the letter L? What could that word be? You guessed it. It is a log. L, 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 log. L, 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 log. Now it's your turn. Wonderful work! You learned to say the word log. Now let's try to think of another word that starts with the letter L. What word could this be? That's right. It is a lemon. L, 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 lemon. L, 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 lemon. Now, would you like to try? Fantastic work! Now you know how to say the word lemon. How about we try to think of one more word that begins with the letter L? Do you recognize what this is? You got it. It is a lion. L, 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 lion. L, 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 lion. Now it's your turn. Well done! I am so proud of you. Now you know the sounds and the words of the letters J, K, and L. So next time you see words that starts with the letters J, K, and L, you can try to sound them out. You guys did a wonderful job. And now we're at the end of the video, so thanks for watching and don't forget to practice 'cause learning is fun. Goodbye! If you enjoy this video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe, share it with friends, and always, thanks for watching. Goodbye!